Hey guys, welcome back with another video. My name is Adi Joshi and today we are learn gold effect in Photoshop. Here you can see the statue. Now we convert this statue into gold. First, we need to duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Here you can see. Now we select the statue. You select any selection tool. I select pen tool. Here you see pen tool. Now select the statue like this. You can see my selection is ready. Now we add a layer mask in layer 1. Click here to layer mask button and turn off the background. Now background is removed. Now time to fill the background color. Simply go to solid color and select any color do you like. I select this color, then press OK. Then go to layer 1 and then go to hue and saturation. Click here to create clipping mask and decrease the saturation to -100%. It only apply in the image. Then go to curve and click here to create clipping mask. Here you can see the straight line. We make a straight line to zigzag line like this. Like this. This it look more better. Simply close. Then time to fill gold color. Simply go to color lookup and click here to add amber. Now it apply in the whole area. Simply to apply only in the statue, click here to create clipping mask. It only apply in the statue. Simply close this. Now go to labels and click here to create clipping mask, then adjust the brightness. Now here it's better. Now to create a shadow, simply go to layer 1, click here to FX and click here to blending option. Here drop shadow option are here. Simply click this and now I am already adjusted. Change the blend mode to normal, opacity 69%, distance 191%, speed 53% and size 29%. Then click here to OK. Now it look more hard. Now create a shadow in the new layer. Simply go to layer, layer style and create layer and press OK. Now shadow is here in the new layer. Now to make a shadow realistic, simply go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Then radius equal to 110%. Click here to OK. Applying to the image. Here you see it look more realistic. Now hold the Control key and select the layers and press Ctrl G. Here group is ready. Now go to curve and adjust the brightness. Here it look more realistic. Then click here to create clipping mask. Then press Shift Ctrl E to merge the layer. Here layer is merged, visible, open. Here you see. Simply see here layer is merged. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, please comment.